Have you tried summarizing PDF using AI? Here I'm going to show you how to use PDF.AI all in one full tutorial. Now to use this AI tool, what you will do is just open your browser. Here on your browser, go to your search bar, type https://www.pdf.ai like this. You can see it. Now what you will do is just click on search, wait for it. Here you can see it take us to the site like this. You see the site. Now what you will do is just click on this get started. It will bring you to this dashboard. Here use any email you want. Here I will use my Google email. Then follow the process of signing in using the email or your Google email. This information will pop up. Here you can either listen to it, know more about the PDF and how it works, or just skip it by clicking this cancel icon on top. Now after signing in, here I will show you everything you need to know about this PDF.AI. So what to do then? Now the first thing I will show you is how to find each features. Now to find each features, now the first feature I will show you is this one. Now click on this streamline icon on the top side. Here you can see the features. Here you can use the Chrome extension. The Chrome extension is benefit for people who has desktop. As you can see, I'm using smartphone to show you that you can also use it on smartphone. Now you can see this Chrome extension, you can use it, and then after following the process of the Chrome extension, you can use it on your Google Drive to analyze PDF on your Google Drive. You can also use it on your Dropbox, and also you can use it on your PDF app. Benefit is that you can summarize any PDF in any application. That's the benefit. Also, these documents can find the PDF you summarize or you research about inside this PDF.AI. You can also see upgrade. Here is where you can upgrade it. Here in settings, where you can find your settings and set it up. Here you see it. You can find your settings about your account, your email, and set anything. And also one benefit of this, if you pay for the subscription, is you can upload a PDF more than 10 MB. You can see here, if you upgrade your plan, you paid for the premium version or you subscribe for it, you can upload a PDF which exceed more than 10 MB. You see it. So as a free user, I can only upload a PDF which is 10 MB. We now head back. Here developer is where you can sign in as a developer. Here you can sign out. Now the second thing I will show you is how to upload PDF. Now to upload PDF, just click on this upload here, this uploading icon. Then follow the process. If you need to add tag, which means anyone you upload using this tag, the tag you add here, it will be assembled with the tag. Now, and this private document is where you can make it private. Here by clicking it, you will make it private. Only you will be able to see it or to access it. By clicking here, it will make the AI to research it more, to scan it every detail, but this takes time. You can upload a PDF by entering its URL link here, and also you can also upload it from your device by clicking this select document here. Now open the folder where you kept the file like this. Here select the PDF file you want the PDF.AI to analyze. Here now to select it, click on it like this, and then click on this upload like this, and then wait for it. Now as you can see, it is loading. You see it. As you can see, it have uploaded. Now what you will do here, now here I will show you everything, how to use each feature. Now here on this sticker, this magic sticker icon here, what the AI highlights for you in order for you to ask. You see it. You can ask it to give you a summary of the document just by clicking this, give me a summary of this document like this, and wait for it here. As you can see, it have summarized it. You see it. You see it, and also you can listen to it just by clicking here.
Overview. This document discusses the importance of lubrication in industrial maintenance, different lubrication methods used in industries, and the components of automated lubrication systems. Key points. Lubrication is crucial for the smooth operation of machinery parts like gear.
You see it, and also here you can use your voice here, then you click on it, use your voice to ask a question, and then the AI will reply it. And also here you can screenshot it, long screenshot, by clicking here. But you can only do this if you upgrade to the premium version. If you upgrade the plan, you can see the example. You see it now. This one here, the search bar here, you can ask any question and the AI will reply it based on the document you upload, based on the PDF you upload. Here I'll ask the question. You see it now. Watch how this AI will reply it. Now you see it have replied based on the document I uploaded, and also it will show you the page where he highlight the information like this. By clicking this page 1, you see it, page 2, you see it. Now you can also listen to it just by clicking here.
What is lubrication? What is lubrication? Lubrication is the process of applying a lubricant to reduce friction between moving parts in machines.
You see it, that's how to use the PDF.AI. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech tutorial. And also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. The link to find this AI tool is in the description section. So see you on the next video. Watch this video on the screen in order to know how to use Notebook LM, and in this video I give out the best basic steps in order to use Notebook LM. So see you on the next video.